Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you guys for coming back. On today's video, I just want to share with you guys some of my created projects that I have laying around in my craft room. Some I post on Instagram, but I realized that I didn't really film a video for them. So I thought, why not create a video showing you guys some of the little projects that I have laying around in my craft room that either need to go out or I created just for myself. So the first thing I want to show you guys is, you saw that I posted on, well, yesterday, the craft with me video making the memory decks card, but since I ran out of time, I didn't create the second one with you guys. So I wanted to show you what I ended up doing. This is how it turned out, and I think it's super cute. I did some cute little fringe. I used the little heart trim from Target from last year from Valentine's Day. It's cute little unicorn or catacorn with a little bow, and one of these little Hobby Lobby rosettes that I got in some Happy Meal and I just reused, and one of these little iridescent, like, what is it, a little acrylic dots that you get at Michael's, Ooh, why does that always happen to me? But anyway, so I think it turned out super cute, you guys, even though the letters should have been the other way, but it's just the back. So that's that. And then you guys, I posted these on Instagram and they're super cute, and these are just little CD holders. And what I did was I used my circle die and I cut it in half so that I can have like a little window to show the little tissue confetti, and then just to cover this side, I put these little unicorns that come with the unicorn straws right in the middle. This is the straw that comes with the unicorn. Added two little pom-poms to the side. And how cute is this? It's just another way to package some confetti and send in some Happy Mail. Used a cute little word sticker right here. And that is that. But it's a super cute way to send some confetti to a pen pal. And it's super affordable. You don't have to use a lot of material just to create this little. You could even make a circle yourself. Use a cup and trace it out. Cut it in half and boom, you have your little half circle. Also, you guys know that I am part of the Fairy Tale Club design team. And this is a limited edition collection that they currently have out. And I created some cards using this collection. You guys, this collection is super cute. So I want to show you guys the cards that I made because I am obsessed. This is the first one. And it says, believe in magic. We've got the cute little Minnie and Mickey, and this the little ears that you get at the Disney, and then the little Mickey little thingamajiggers. But you guys, and the little heart doily, I love this one so much. I think it's so cute. It's simple, but I think it says enough, and I absolutely love it. And these are for me. I'm not planning on giving these to anybody because I don't have like tons to remake the same one, so I wanted to save that for myself. Here's another one that I made, and I think it's so cute because I have a little girl here with the little mouse, little whiskers. Put a little bow on her. Why is it so hard for me to explain these cards? I just noticed that. I'm like, what is wrong with me? But anyway, she's super cute. I did some layering with the little ephemera packs. I never showed the collection. I don't know why, but super cute, you guys. Definitely check it out. I have it linked down below, so if you guys want to pick this collection up, you should go because it's only, I think, for a limited time. So this is the second one I made. And then the third one, you guys, look at this card. How cute is this? I used some of the ephemera. It says fairy tales. I put a cute little heart on the eye, two little pom-poms in his ears, and a cute little pink bow to match, kind of like, I did like, it's two layers, and it's like propped up on foam tape. These cute little gemstones. You guys, I think these cards came out totally cute. I love them. And then this is the card that I made with you guys. I ended up adding this little sticker here that says just add fairy dust, which I thought went perfect. And I also added a little flower to her. She has a little flower in the bottom, but I wanted to make it a little bit more dimensional. So I added that, and the rest I did with you guys. This one turned out super cute. And this is the other one that I ended up making off camera. And I think it came out super cute. I'm loving the little strip on the side. And then the little rosette. I did some gold threading with the butterfly, some enamel dots, and some little stickers from the Imagine That collection. And this paper I think is Maggie Holmes. I didn't end up using paper from the Imagine That. I liked the polka dot paper that I found in my stash, and I thought it came out super cute. And then, as you guys know, the clipboard that I made on film, I recorded a video on this and I posted it yesterday. If you guys haven't checked it out, definitely check it out. Super fun. Made it out of just some packaging. I'm planning on making some smaller versions, so stay tuned for that. Absolutely love how this turned out. This one is definitely going to be for me. It's not going anywhere because I just love it. The back looks like that. I ended up just putting my little label here. And it's just super cute, and you can just use it to put some stuff there or just as a decor piece. I'm probably going to hang it up somewhere in my room. Don't know yet. Another thing, let me just move some of this stuff. You guys know that I had my traveling snail mail book, and my way of saying thank you to the girls, I decided to create them some little goodie boxes. And I have a whole bunch of them, but I am not going to show them all because I just don't want to give it out yet, since they're not going out yet. But I will show, and they still need to be filled with more stuff. I need to make some more embellishments. But you guys, this is what the boxes look like, and all of the girls are going to get a box like this filled with some goodies. And it has just some crinkle paper in the inside, and then I have, if you can see, a little doily with a bow. And then I put all their initials on the boxes. They all have the same kind of design in the front. All the papers are from Flourish, Maggie Holmes. And I just want to create embellishments with the Flourish. That's why I want to switch it up. This is just here just to show you guys kind of what the idea that I want for the boxes for the girls. But yeah, you guys, I'll show you guys one more so you can get the idea. There's this one, and all their initials are on the boxes, and I think they turned out super cute, and they can just have them on their desk, and it's just a little way of saying thank you for participating in my traveling snail mail. So that's why there's 9 little boxes that will be going out. Then another package that I'm working on is, I'll show you guys. It's not really I don't know, I would say it was a theme. It's just a swap that I'm doing with a friend of mine that is, I don't have to ship it. She's actually local. We're just going to exchange boxes at my job. So let me show you guys. Hopefully she doesn't watch this video. But this is the little tag flip that I created for her. And this is the front page. There's a cute little tag right here. I think it came out super cute. I stitched the whole tag flip. Every tag is stitched. I absolutely love the way this came out. Some goodies. I made her a little shaker with some tulle. There's a little like vellum pocket with some confetti. I love this tag right here. It turned out super cute. Then there's this one, which is with acetate, and it just has like this cute little rose on it. And then the last tag is this one right here. And you guys, I think it came out super cute. I put this tassel here. I gave it this little keychain that says Maker's Gonna Make. And this cute little, what is this? Why can't I remember? A little tassel, just that I made with a bunch of trim. So I created that for her. I also made her a wand, which I gave a sneak peek on my Instagram. And you guys, I absolutely love how this wand turned out. She loves butterflies, so I, of course, put butterflies. And I did a bunch of layers of crepe, a rosette, and then this is like a circle die. And then that's what the back looks like. I absolutely love how it turned out. Oh, I think I have, hold on one second. If it's shaky, I apologize. Okay. Oh, and that's what the little wand looks like. I put these little gold balls on the end, which I am absolutely obsessed with doing. And this is just some of that, what is this called again? Those things that I collect. You guys, I like totally lost my train of thought for everything. I forgot what these are, like little curly ribbon. Curly ribbon, that's what it is. Curly ribbon. And then I did make her 3 memory dex cards, which I'll show you, and I am obsessed with them. I think they look super cute. I used a Pink Paisley collection. You guys, how cute is that? I love it. I hope she loves all her goodies. Look at this one. And then I made her this one, which is like in a circle shape. And then I made her this one. Aren't they adorable, you guys? So we're doing, I think I'm missing one. Am I missing one? It's supposed to be, I feel like I'm missing one. I think it's supposed to be 5 cards. Let me see. I'm also giving her some of my confetti. Also giving her, I wrapped up a cute little gift for her, and it says, "This is great." I have to add another piece of tape to this. But that's how I wrap that up for her. Also gifting her some embellishments. I'm gifting her these bows. I also put some goodies in here for her. I'm gifting her some of my little tropical clips that I made. Gifting her this cute little pill box. Was it a pill box or like, not a pill, a pillow box with some more confetti. And then just a bunch of my embellishments. Oh, I found the other memory dex card. Here's the other memory dex card that I made her. So we're swapping 5 memory dex cards, a project, and 5 gifts. I'm still missing the gifts for her, so that's what I have to get her. I need to get her more gifts to wrap up, and then 4 more gifts. And these are just more of the handmade embellishments. I made her these super cute rosettes. So I'm super excited to package this up and exchange with her in person. It was super fun to create, and I hope she loves it as much as I loved creating it. But yeah, you guys, that's it for this video. I hope you guys got some ideas. I'm sorry if I sound like I'm all over the place. I just got out of work and I wanted to post a video tonight, so this is going up no matter what. Stuttering Lily, not stuttering Lily, all over the place Lily, it's going up. I don't know if I should show you guys this wand. I created this wand, but I don't want my recipient, I'm in a unicorn swap, I don't want my recipient to watch this video and see her wand. Or should I show you guys? Maybe she doesn't watch my videos. Hopefully. Martha, if you watch my videos, cut the video right now. Just X out. You cannot see this. But you guys, look at this wand. Isn't it magical? I absolutely love it. It's so cute. And I think she's going to love it too. Isn't it magical? I feel like you can just go, ding! All your dreams came true. Aren't they pretty? I love them. Not love them. It's only one, Lily. I love it. You know why I said them? It's because I made her some rosettes and I'm looking at them right now. And I love them too. But yeah, you guys, I hope you guys had a great Monday. Mine was super hot because the AC wasn't working at my job. But the day's over. It's 6:11. You guys are getting a video. I'm super excited. And yeah, stay tuned for more videos. Thank you guys for all the love. My gosh. The views, the comments, insane. Bananas. You guys are amazing. I love you guys so much. And I'll catch you guys in the next one. Bye, guys.